Description: repairs hair from the inside out and helps seal split ends for smooth, healthy-looking results. Benefits: vegan, paraben-free. Suggested use: spray onto clean, damp hair, then comb through evenly. Do not rinse. May be used daily. How to strengthen weak, fragile locks. Keep your hair healthy, strong and protected from everyday damage with hair care products that strengthen and rebuild damaged hair from within. Paul Mitchell Super Strong Shampoo. 1. Gently cleanse and repair damaged strands with this mild, color-safe shampoo. Paul Mitchell Super Strong Conditioner. 2. Follow with this daily conditioner for added strength and manageability. Paul Mitchell Super Strong Liquid Treatment. 3. Spray on damp hair to help replace minerals and proteins to rebuild and strengthen strands. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I've been using this product for over 5 years and have been able to maintain my longer hair.